Hello and welcome to Elif's kitchen. Today I'd like to share with you the recipe of peppery bread, one of the famous flavors of our Antioch, Turkey. I took 5.5 cups of flour in the kneading bowl. I add a pack of instant yeast on it. Let's add 1 dessert spoon of sugar and mix it. Now I add a cup of warm water. I add half a teacup of oil and a cup of warm milk. I added about 1 teaspoon of salt on it. I knead my dough well. Look, as you can see, it has been well kneaded. It should be a soft dough with a consistency as in the video. Note that it doesn't stick to the hand. Then I cover it with a lid and wait for it to ferment for half an hour. Meanwhile, I'm preparing the inner mortar. I finally chop 1 onion into a bowl, then I finally chop a few sprigs of parsley. I added a cup of cottage cheese, half a teacup of sesame, and 3 full tablespoons of pepper paste. I use a teacup of genuine olive oil. Let's add a teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of chili pepper. I put in a tablespoon of black seed. I added all my ingredients. I put on a glove and knead well. Pepper paste can paint your hand. That's why I recommend you to wear gloves. By the way, the better the pepper paste, the more delicious the peppery bread will be. And it is also important that you use genuine olive oil. As you can see, my inner mortar is ready. Now my dough has swollen. I sprinkle some flour on the counter and take the air out from the dough. I divide it into pieces about the size of an egg. I take a piece of dough and roll it with the help of a roller. I roll it about 1 centimeter thick. I took the dough on my tray with grease-proof paper. On each dough, I add 1 full tablespoon of the mortar I have prepared. With the help of a spoon, I spread the mortar on the dough. Yes, my peppery breads are ready to go to the oven. I bake them in preheated oven about 200 degrees for about 15 minutes. Look, as you can see, after 15 minutes, the bottom is blushed. Do not cook it too much. 15 minutes will be enough for it not to be dry. Our peppery breads are ready, very soft and very delicious. I hope you will try and like it too. Thank you for watching my video.